A reminder of how the New Zealand Building Code works. You've seen this before in previous presentations, but at the top you have the Building Act, and underneath that you've got the Building Code, and that forms the legal requirements and legislation for New Zealand. Underneath that and supporting the building codes, you have a means of complying, and generally be looking at either acceptable solutions or verification methods, which are documented underneath the building code. But there's also the alternative solutions, which you can use to demonstrate compliance as well. So there are lots of code clauses that you need to satisfy when building your tiny home or modular building. Top of the list, of course, is B, on stability. So your structure needs to be covered by an independent structural engineer who can provide you with a PS1. It could be Redco, but it could be another independent structural engineer. And for that, they can provide you plans and specifications, and they will also remind you of the limitations, so where you can put the building in terms of wind zone, snow loads, and earthquake zones. The other aspect is durability. So for a permanent building, you're probably looking at a 50-year life. So we would expect all the structural elements to come with a durability of 50 years, and the floors, walls, fixings, and roof, if it's structural. If you're using a SIPS panel for your roof, it's probably going to be structural and therefore needs to have a 50-year durability. Other aspects, like the building envelope, we'd be looking at a 15-year durability. More important, or another important aspect, is the fire. So section C of the building code covers fire, fire prevention, fire spread, and so on, and covers things like distances to boundaries and escape routes distances. A handy guide in the Auckland Council document, and here's a diagram showing you what it means to be close to your boundary. And so if you are close to your boundary, then you will still need building consent.